Hey yo, look like I'm going for a swim. Dunked on him, now I'm swinging off the rim. Bitch ain't coming off the bench, while I'm coming off the court fully drenched. Here goes some haterade, get your thirst quenched. Style doing him in this Burberry trench. These birds copy every word, every inch. But gang got the hammer and the wrench. I pull up in that $250,000 off the lot. Oh, now she tryna be friends like I forgot. Show off my diamonds like I'm signed by the...
Alright, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a tutorial on how to do faux dreadlocks. Yes, I did these myself, but they look pretty decent. I do say so myself. Hold up. I'm going to be showing you how I achieved these faux locks. Without further ado, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow my social medias. They will be linked in the description box. And let's just get into the video. Okay, so I am starting off with freshly blow-dried hair. I look a mess, a hot mess. And I'm putting a little bit of grapeseed oil all over my hair. Yeah, just keep it moisturized. My hair is so dry. But here you see like majority of the locks already done. I forgot to film the part where I pre-braided all of my hair, but I'm showing you right here that you are just going to braid your hair like you would be doing box braids or something like that. I chose to do triangle parts, so yeah, give it a little bit of pizzazz. And then after you braid like your hair, you're gonna just finish it off by twisting it, because we ain't got time to be sitting here braiding the whole thing. Then I'm gonna take 2 pieces of marley hair, and you can see here I'm just stretching it out so I don't use as much hair. I got the color 4 because I wanted these to be like chocolate brown, so this is perfect. And I'm just going to wrap it around the base until it's tight, and yeah, then I'm just gonna wrap down the braid. You want to make sure that you leave a little bit of the hair hanging at the end, so that way it's actually attached. Does that make sense? I hope so. You're gonna see me do it a couple of times, but I have a mirror right here just to check and make sure that I am covering the braid and that there's no braid peeking through, and if there is, then I just go back up, I wrap back up and then wrap back down and keep going. It's just a bunch of wrapping, like honestly, a bunch of wrapping. Okay, y'all, this process took me forever, but yeah, you can see I was picking up my rhythm once I get past the root. And I'm just doing a close-up here and slowing it down a little bit for you so you can see the motion. I just push the hair with my pointer finger, wrapping it around and just pulling it. It's super easy once you get the rhythm. And I'm just showing you here that you want to keep that little tail with the braid, and you want to wrap the rest of the hair around when you're adding another piece. It's just the same way as you would start it. And then once I wrap all the way down, I just burn the end with a lighter. Some people use a flat iron, some people use glue. I ain't got time for all of that, so I'm just using a good old lighter. And then I roll it in between my hands and I chop the end off. Oh my god, y'all, I was so tired. I have been doing this for 2 days already. And then I'm just showing you another one where I just added the hair. As you can see, like, it's not the same size going all the way down. I didn't want these to be super perfect, and I also didn't gel my roots or anything because I didn't want it to be perfect. I wanted it to be kind of natural going, quote unquote natural. Yeah, struggle. You can tell that it's not my hair, but I didn't want it to be super perfect for this look. Then I'm just sliding on some jewels and some clips and some beads and some spirals, whatever you want to call them, just to zhuzh it up. Yep. And I would go and see if there were like awkward spots and put jewels there to cover them up. And they were so stiff, so I dipped them in hot water, but I didn't show me dipping them in hot water. But this is what they look like after I dip them in hot water.